Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Luke. How are you today?
Hi, Zoe. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was thinking about our friendship and all the fun times we've shared. I love talking about my best friends and the memories we have together. What do you think about friendship?
I think friendship is very important. My friends make me feel happy and supported. I enjoy spending time with them and making new memories.
Me too. I have a few very close friends. I always try to keep in touch with them, even when we are busy. Sometimes a simple message or a phone call makes a big difference.
That's true. I usually call my best friend on weekends to see how they are doing. We talk about our day, our plans, and sometimes we even share funny stories from school.
I love that. I also like to meet my friends for coffee or a walk in the park. It is a great way to catch up and enjoy each other's company.
Yes, going for a walk in the park is my favorite. I remember last month we all went together to the park, played some football, and then had a picnic. It was a very fun day.
I remember that day too. We laughed so much while playing football. I also loved the picnic because we all shared different foods.
Exactly. Sharing food and stories makes the day even more special. What do you usually do with your friends?
We do many things. Sometimes we go to the movies. Sometimes we study together in the library. And other times we simply chat on the phone. Each activity helps me feel closer to them.
That's wonderful. I think it is important to have different kinds of activities. For example, I like to play board games with my friends during the weekend. It is a fun way to relax after a long week.
Board games are a great idea. I also like to play card games or even video games when we meet. They are fun and help us laugh together.
Yes, laughing together makes our friendship strong. Do you have a best friend, Zoe?
Yes, I do. My best friend is Anna. We have known each other since we were in elementary school. We do everything together, study, play, and even travel sometimes.
That is really nice. I have a best friend too, named Mark. We met in high school, and since then we have supported each other through many challenges.
It is amazing how long friendships can last. I think true friendship is about trust and sharing both happy and sad moments.
I agree. When I feel sad or stressed, I call Mark and talk about my problems. He always listens and gives me good advice.
That is very important. I try to support Anna too. We share our worries and celebrate our successes together.
What do you do to keep in touch with your friends? Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media and messaging apps a lot. I also send emails sometimes, especially when my friends are far away. I like to share pictures and stories of our activities.
I do the same. I also like to video call my friends. It feels almost like we are together, even if we are far apart.
Absolutely. Technology makes it easier to maintain long-distance friendships. I remember last year, I had a video call with a friend who moved to another city, and it was so good to see her face and talk about our lives.
That is true. I often plan virtual movie nights with my friends, where we all watch a film and chat online. It is a fun way to spend time together when we cannot meet in person.
I love virtual movie nights. It reminds me of the time when we organized a group call to watch a comedy movie and laughed for hours.
Yes, that was a great night. Do you remember the jokes we shared afterward?
Of course, we even sent each other funny memes all day long.
Those are the moments that make friendship so special. Even simple things can bring so much joy.
I completely agree. I think we should always make time for our friends, no matter how busy we get.
Absolutely. Sometimes I write down my plans to meet with friends in my calendar. It helps me remember to call or meet them regularly.
That is a good idea. I also try to plan small outings with my friends, like a picnic or a visit to a museum. It helps create new memories.
Yes, new memories are important. They make us remember the good times and help us grow together. Do you have any favorite memory with your friends?
One of my favorite memories is from last summer. My friends and I went to the beach for a day. We swam, played volleyball, and had a barbecue. We ended the day by watching the sunset together. It was a perfect day.
That sounds amazing. I have a favorite memory too. A few months ago, my best friend Mark and I went hiking in the mountains. We spent the whole day walking, talking, and enjoying the nature. At the top, we had a picnic and took many photos. It was very peaceful and fun.
Hiking in the mountains sounds wonderful. I think being in nature helps us relax and think about our lives.
It does. It also makes me appreciate the beauty of life and the strength of friendship.
Yes, every adventure with friends teaches us something new and makes our bond stronger.
I agree. Our friendships are like treasures that we must take care of. Do you have any tips for keeping a good friendship, Zoe?
I think communication is key. Always share your thoughts, listen carefully, and support each other. Also, try to have fun together regularly.
That makes sense. I also believe that honesty and trust are very important. When friends trust each other, they can overcome any challenge together.
Exactly. I always try to be honest with my friends and admit when I need help. It makes our relationship stronger.
And sometimes, even a simple "How are you?" can show that we care.
Yes, a small message or a quick call can brighten someone's day. I try to check in with my best friends every week.
That is a wonderful habit. I will do that more often with Mark, too.
I feel very lucky to have such good friends. They make my life richer and more enjoyable.
Me too, Zoe. I believe that true friendship is one of the most important parts of life.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, Luke. It makes me appreciate my friends even more.
Thank you, Zoe. I enjoyed our talk very much. I look forward to creating more memories and spending more time with my friends.
Me too, Luke. Let's promise to keep in touch and plan fun activities soon.
I promise. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your time with your friends.
You too, Luke. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Zoe.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.